Imagine waking up to a bank account full of income you've earned while catching some sleep. In this video, we will explore 15 innovative passive income ideas that can help you generate income effortlessly. From investments to online ventures, these ideas can offer financial freedom and the opportunity to make money even in your sleep. Let's dive into the world of passive income and unlock the secrets to building wealth while you snooze. Idea 1 is real estate investment. One of the most popular passive income streams is real estate investment. By purchasing rental properties, you can earn passive income through monthly rental payments. Whether it is residential property, vacation rentals, or commercial real estate, investing in properties can provide a steady stream of income while you sleep. With proper management and market analysis, real estate can be a lucrative passive income generator that builds wealth over time. The next idea is another amazing way you can earn money while you sleep, and this is dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is another smart way to earn passive income. By owning shares in companies that pay dividends, you can receive a regular income stream without actively working. Dividend stocks offer the dual benefit of stock pricing appreciation and consistent dividend payments. With careful research and diversified portfolio, investing in dividend stocks can be a reliable source of passive income that grows over the long term. The third idea is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular online passive income idea that allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services through affiliate links. By partnering with brands and driving traffic to their websites, you can earn a percentage of each sale generated through your unique affiliate link. With the power of content creation, social media influence, and strategic marketing techniques, affiliate marketing offers a scalable and hands-off income stream that can generate revenue while you sleep. The fourth idea is an e-commerce store. Launching an e-commerce store is a modern passive income strategy that enables you to sell products online without the hassle of inventory management. Through dropshipping, print on demand, or digital products, you can create an online store and automate the sales process. By leveraging e-commerce platforms and digital marketing tools, you can reach a global audience and generate sales around the clock. With the right products and marketing strategies, running an e-commerce store can be a lucrative passive income source that operates seamlessly while you sleep. The fifth idea is online courses and digital products. Creating and selling online courses or digital products is a rewarding passive income idea that allows you to share your expertise with a worldwide audience. Whether it's in the form of ebooks, webinars, tutorials, or online courses, digital products offer a scalable income stream that continues to generate revenue long after the initial creation. By building a valuable digital asset and promoting it through online platforms, you can earn passive income while empowering others with your knowledge and skills. The sixth idea is a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is a creative passive income idea that allows you to showcase your talents, your skills, and interests to a global audience. By producing engaging video content, building a loyal subscriber base, and monetizing your channel through ads, sponsorship, and merchandise sales, you can earn passive income through your YouTube channel. With dedication, consistency, and audience engagement, a successful YouTube channel can become a lucrative passive income stream that continues to grow as you upload new videos. Whether it's educational, entertaining, or inspirational content, YouTube offers a platform for creative expression and passive income generation while you sleep. The seventh idea is creating a mobile app. Creating a mobile app is a cutting-edge passive income idea that offers long-term earning potential and scalability. You can develop a mobile app that provides value for the users, solves a problem, or offers entertainment, and you can monetize it through in-app purchases, subscription, or advertisement. But remember, conduct market research, gather user feedback, and continuously enhance your app to drive user engagement and retention. By leveraging app store optimization techniques, digital marketing strategies, and monetization models, you can transform your app into a passive income generator that generates revenue while you sleep. Embrace the mobile app revolution and capitalize on the opportunities of the digital marketplace. The eighth idea is automated dropshipping business. Starting an automated dropshipping business is a scalable passive income idea that enables you to run an online store without maintaining inventory or handling shipping logistics. Partner with dropshipping suppliers to list their products on your e-commerce platform, market them to customers, and earn a profit on each sale without the complexities of traditional retail operations. Utilize e-commerce platforms, automation tools, and digital marketing strategies to streamline the drop shipping process and drive sales. By focusing on product selection, customer service, and marketing initiatives, you can create a profitable dropshipping business that generates passive income while you sleep. The ninth idea is write and publish books. Writing and publishing books is a timeless passive income idea that allows you to share your stories, your knowledge, and expertise with readers around the world while earning royalties on your book sales. Write fiction or non-fictional books, self-publish them on platforms like Amazon Kindle, direct publishing, or promote them online or offline channels to reach a broader audience. Invest in professional editing, book cover designs, or marketing strategies to enhance the visibility and the appeal of your books. By building a portfolio of high-quality books, engaging with readers, and continuously promoting your work, you can establish a passive income stream that generates income while you sleep. The 10th passive idea is create and license digital artwork. Creating a licensing digital artwork is a creative passive income idea that allows artists, designers, and illustrators to monetize their talent by selling digital designs, illustrations, and graphics for various applications. The 11th idea is invest in high-yield savings accounts. Investing in high-yield savings accounts is a low-risk, passive income strategy that allows you to earn competitive interest rates on your savings while maintaining liquidity and capital preservation. Research financial institutions offering high-yield savings accounts, compare their interest rates, and open an account to start earning passive income on your deposited funds. The next idea is create and sell online courses. Creating and selling online courses is a rewarding passive income idea that allows you to share your expertise, skills, and knowledge with learners around the world while generating income from course sales. Develop high-quality online courses on topics of your interest or expertise. Host them on online course platforms or your own website and market them to a targeted audience seeking education resources. The next idea is create a membership website. Creating a membership website is a scalable passive income idea that allows you to offer exclusive content, resources, and community access to paying members while generating recurring revenue through subscription fee. Develop a membership site around a niche topic, industry, or interest area and provide valuable content, courses, webinars, or forums to engage and retain members. Lastly but not least, the next idea is invest in index funds or exchange traded funds. Investing in index funds or ETFs is a smart passive income strategy that allows you to diversify your investment portfolio, track market performance, and earn returns on a broad range of assets while you sleep. Purchase index funds that replicate the performance of the stock market indices, market sectors, or asset classes to achieve a broad market exposure and long-term growth potential. Congratulations on reaching at this point. You are the real deal. By leveraging diverse income streams, investing in income-generating assets, and pursuing creative ventures, you can achieve financial freedom, build wealth, and create a lifestyle of abundance. Embrace the power of passive income. Take action on your financial goals and unlock the potential of earning while you sleep. Start implementing these passive income strategies today and watch your wealth grow effortlessly, one dream at a time. If you got any value in this video, smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel if you've not done that yet. Until next time, God bless.